Hi everyone, it's Emma again, and I just want to show you what will be the Tesson course details. So you can get this certification pretty much everywhere, online or on site. And this is a package. It's not on my website. It's a different website, but you can. Well, it's gonna be cheaper than that. It's gonna be approximately 1,000. So 1,000, you have access, well, to talking to me, live instructor, led classes completed by online study. So that would be essentially online, especially if we live in two different countries. 100-hour TESOL certificate, personalized unparalleled job placement service. So I help you to get in touch with some companies. I can help you with your cover letter. What else? Can also help you with your resume or your CV. On course materials, ebooks, videos. So some people they need videos, some they don't. So it's a discount for people who are willing to pay this price. If you would take this course, if you buy this package within January, in January, you're gonna just pay 1,000. If it's after, it will be this price, but there is no deposit. Don't worry about that. So the phone number is different. So just to give you an idea, just to explain how it is. The TESOL is just a few hours. In my first video I said, depending on your level. So my kit is way more personalized than this because it's from a different website. So it's 1,000. You have access to a minimum of 100 hours, but it's gonna be split in three parts. The first part will be grammar, vocabulary, basic stuff you need to know in order to start teaching. Second part will be who you want to teach to. Kids, toddlers, teenagers, older people. It's going to be business English. So we can also specialize. We can customize everything. And the third part will be marketing, how to promote yourself. Do you want to work online or do you want to work on site? Okay, so if you have any questions, you can contact me here on YouTube. I'm also available on Skype and Google Hangouts. I would say, just put a message here. That's where I don't reveal too many personal details. And because the Skype account is a professional account, so I don't want to be annoyed by people during my courses. And so 100 hours, 1,000, and you have access to a lot of stuff. It's customized. And if you need more hours, I would say an additional 10 or 20 hours, it's fine, but no more, okay? So, but anyway, everything customized. I'll check your level in English to see if you can take this certification. You'll receive a certificate, apostille certificate, and signed by me, and it's gonna be shipped to you. So, and that's it. You have a wonderful day, and let me know if you have any questions on this level, and I hope to see and to hear from you soon. Take care.